All right, listen. Well, here we go again. Just randomly, it was starting fine. I'm just tired of it. I'm trying to make a delivery, and this is what I get. Why can't people actually look where they're going when they're driving instead of almost hitting my door? Neutral. Nothing. The ignition switch? Ignition? I don't know. Alright, 15 volts it says. Nothing. What is with this car, man? This is what I'm gonna need pretty soon. One of those. With this crap I'm dealing with. When it's a brand new starter, there shouldn't be anything wrong with it. Nothing. I gotta return the food. Lose more money. Thanks a lot, you piece of car. Can't understand what the hell's wrong with this thing. This is a Toyota. Not a Nissan, not a Chrysler, it's a Toyota. It's supposed to be more reliable than this. A lot more reliable. The car was great for the first 3.5 years that I had it. Sitting on the side of the road with the car broken down. Reminiscent of, I had a white car 30 years ago. Same crap. At least it started, and it broke down in the middle of the street, but it started most of the time. All right, let's reconnect it. I have to return this food now I got back here. There we go. Nothing. Dead. Now, let's return the food before I get in trouble. To return this food to the restaurant. It says 14.8, whatever the hell it says. Nothing. It's not even spinning. Nothing's happening. Tried to turn over just now. Sick of this freaking car. After they fixed the transmission twice, and I'm just sitting here like an idiot. You know, a Toyota that doesn't start. Can you imagine? It's embarrassing. Nothing. See, it's trying to turn over. I almost want it not to work so I could give it to them, and because the last time I gave it to them, they're like, "Oh, we couldn't find a problem with it. It started right up." Okay, it's been about 45 minutes. I'm gonna try starting this thing again, see what happens. Okay, so now we have a clue at least. It's dependent upon hot and cold. When it gets hot, it doesn't want to start, and when it cools off, it starts right up. Okay. So anyone out there in YouTube land, let me know in the comments what the hell this could be. You heard what happened when it was warm. So when it cools off, it starts right up. That's very interesting. If anyone out there is a mechanic who knows what they're talking about, unlike me, I'm just a backyard mechanic. I'm a parts changer, but I'm not a diagnostician, you know, but let me know what the heck's going on here, right? All right, I made it home. Let's see what happens when we shut it off. Okay, I'm gonna listen. There's not too much noise around, hopefully. It starts right up. So, I mean, the car's warm now, obviously. I drove it, I don't know, 5 miles back to my house or so. And see, it starts up perfectly. I already scanned it with my Autel MX808. There's no trouble codes. I go back and I try to start it. Keys in the ignition. Yeah, there it is. Boom. See what I mean? Now it's not it's doing it again now. See, once it heats up, it's like it tries to start, but it stops. ECT, there's 2 faults. Codes 1604, 1604. One's a history and the other is a current. What would cause it not to crank, though? If I try to crank the car. Listen. And it starts right up now. Turn it off. Yeah, see, there it goes again. Once it's hot. Okay. Okay, if I turn it. See? So what is that? Huh. And I'm going to go to the store and come back. And I bet you when I come back in a few minutes, it's going to start. All right, I'll be back. Okay, it's been about half an hour. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, starts right up. Okay, so now we know whatever the problem is, it's temperature sensitive. Okay, I'll just put it that way. Dash cam. It's temperature sensitive. That'll give us a clue what's going on here. So if I turn off and try to start it again, watch what happens. It's warm now, remember. It starts the first time right up. But listen. I don't understand what the hell this is. What is temperature sensitive? It's not cranking even, as you saw in the previous parts of this video. Third time starting it up. Right up. But it's like, remember I got home before, it wouldn't, after a few tries, it wouldn't start. Because the car was still warm. It's like, you know, after it cools off half an hour, it starts right the hell up. All right, leave in the comments what you guys think it could be. All right, thanks.